to save your Instagram photos directly to your computer. This is a method you can use if you don't want to use a phone app like Repost, which will watermark the pictures unless you pay for a subscription, or just if you want them saved to your computer rather than your phone. You'll notice that on Instagram, if you go to Instagram.com on a computer in your web browser, if you right click a photo, it doesn't work like other images online where there would be a save image button. This one has save as, but that's like to save the website. So that won't work to save the picture. Instead, what you can do is you can come down to the bottom of the drop down where it says inspect. And then from there, you can click on sources and then click S Connect and then the folder marked V and then the first folder from there. And then you can click within these items in this drop down, and these you will be able to right click and save. So now if I right click and click save image as, that download it right away, and then we can open that up and see this is the image. You might get the option to rename it when you first try to save it, or you can just go in and rename it later to whatever you want to put in here. But the problem is not all of the not all of the pictures in a post will necessarily be in here. So here we can see two of mine. There's one with the foundation bottle standing up and one with the foundation bottle lying down. But then if I go to the others, these are from other posts. So what I would have to do is X this back out and then advance my carousel here. And now here's a different image. We can tell because there's a lighter swatch in the center. And now I'm going to go back through those same steps where I click inspect and then go to sources and S Connect, V, the first folder. And now I come through, here is that second picture that I wanted. So I'm just going to download that one. And then I can see back to those first pictures actually, but then it goes right back to these other posts from my page. So I'm going to X back out, and then you would just keep repeating that process. So here's another different one, inspect, sources, S Connect, V, first folder, click inside until you find the images, and there is a new one as well. So then you can open those up and you see those are your images in there. I wish they would just put all of the pictures together instead of interrupting them with whatever this other stuff is in here, but at least you have some way to get it done, and it actually doesn't take that long, especially if your post is not a carousel or doesn't have quite as many images in the carousel. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and give this video a thumbs up if it was. Thanks so much.